Good morning, it's Unice. Welcome back to my channel. What an interesting way to start this video. Welcome to this college day in my life. I'm going to take you along my new routine. I've settled in much more, and we have quite an interesting day ahead of us. Today is Thursday, October 17th. Right now it is currently like 6:50 in the morning, and you may be asking, why are you standing outside on your balcony at 6:50 in the morning giving this intro? And that is because we have a fire alarm drill at 7 where we all have to evacuate. So we're all up and there's people walking around in the common room, in my room, so I didn't want to disturb anyone, and that's why I'm filming this intro out here. But for the rest of the day, I only have one class today at 9:30, and then after that I have some plans that I'm super excited about. I just woke up literally 30 minutes ago and packed my bag because we have to wait outside for 30 minutes. There we go.
When I was away, you were in this other light, calling out to me. I can make a summer cry. It goes on, and it's not for better sign. And I'm tired now.
Hi everyone. I'm currently in the elevator about to go to class. I just left my dorm building. After the fire alarm, we literally just went straight to bed. And then we also made acai bowls through the Trader Joe's packet. And then my roommate Gianna brought like a mini blender, so we tried that. It's our first time trying acai bowls in the dorm, and it is definitely like a Saturday operation, like you need your time. That's why I'm sort of booking it to class right now. I have class at 9:30. It's currently like 9:20. It shouldn't take me too long to get there, but you never know. This class is my only class of the day. It's from 9:30 to 10:50, so it's a long one actually. And we do have our midterm coming up next week, so I actually need to lock in and pay attention, which is so hard because the class is so long. But hopefully it won't be too bad today. It's German analysis, so it's like focused on grammar and stuff. Oh my god, I'm literally out of breath. Literally the stairs I have to climb every day. But yeah, hope I make it in time. Hi guys, it is a little while later now. It is 11:15. I just got home back in my dorm, and I thought I would talk to you and just update you on college life, my emotions as of recent. I think the last college like real video I filmed was my first day of school, which was 3 weeks ago now. And in that video I was sort of talking about how I was like feeling super anxious and feeling like I wasn't making enough friends, and since then I found some really great community, and I've gotten close to a lot of my suite mates and a lot of other small groups as well. So I'm very grateful for that. So in the social aspect, I'm definitely feeling much better. In the academic aspect, I don't know if I ever said the classes I'm taking. You guys, I actually have the easiest quarter of my life. Like, I have so little homework to the point where Tuesday, I was done with my homework for the rest of the week at 2 p.m. on Tuesday. Now I'm starting on my homework due next Friday because I have nothing better to do. Like, literally my schedule is so chill, guys. I've been doing pretty well, definitely adjusting more to college life and starting to feel like this place is starting to become like a second home, which is really nice to feel that way and not feel like completely a stranger to this place. And then yesterday, and this is like old news by the time this video comes out, but in my time, this happened less than 24 hours ago. Liam Payne. If you know me, you know I am a One Direction ride or die to this day. One Direction, Harry Styles is what got me to be a fangirl. It is the reason why I want to go into music business. I had some of my favorite memories of my life because of One Direction and the friends and community I've made through One Direction. So you best believe I was absolutely shocked, frozen to the core when I found out. So I'm still very much feeling the effects of that, and I don't think it's hit me, and I don't think it will. That's sort of like my mental state right now, is just completely shock from that. But besides that, I'm doing really well. So it's a very, very weird thing to think about and to process. Parasocial relationships are crazy, you guys. But yeah, I literally came home last night and my roommate Gianna was doing her homework, and the minute we saw each other, she was crashing out because she has her midterm, and I was crashing out because Liam Payne. We were like on the floor. And then spent like hours just talking to her sweet mates about it. And I didn't sleep until like 1, and then the fire drill this morning, and I woke up at 6:30. So I'm running on like no sleep right now. But yeah, it is currently 11:27, and I am just gonna get some work done, get ahead on all of my homework due next Friday, and then eat lunch. And then I'm meeting my friend at 3. So I have basically until then.
But a fat, yeah, like that. Sleep all day, just a cat nap. But a cup and a Hershey. Camel-like, always thirsty. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think of? I'ma get this slow.
It is currently 2:57. This day is obviously not what I thought it would turn out to be. Let me just update you. I did some homework and then also had my lunch, and then like an hour ago, One Direction posted, and then Louis and Zayn posted, and I don't think I can emphasize enough how much One Direction literally changed my life, and I have been crying since then. But we're just still gonna try to go on with our day and distract myself, because Gracie's releasing Deluxe tonight, and she's my other favorite artist, literally besides One Direction. It's Gracie Abrams. So I'm so excited. I'm meeting with a friend at 3. She's coming to my dorm, and then we're gonna go to the Target on campus and buy a bunch of like baking supplies so we can make the Mess It Up cake and make our own version of that, like the Secret of Us. And she also has a kitchen in her dorm, which is very, very insanely lucky, and have like a little listening party at her place. So sorry, I was just filming. Oh my god, wait, do you want to say hi to my vlog? This is Jen, by the way.
Hi.
She's my other roommate, the two of us and Gianna. We're a little triple. But yes, she's taking a midterm in like 2 hours actually, so good luck to you. But yeah, that's the plan.
Here we go. Yeah.
Hey, this is Caitlin.
We're gonna make a cake for Gracie's album release tonight, and we're so excited.
Yes.
You've been always on my mind.
Our pre-snap before we
dig in more.
Sitting on the interstate 5, driving could never ease my mind how I wanted to. Yeah, I just wanna know.
Hi guys, excuse the fact that I literally look bald right now. My hair is in a claw clip. But I'm currently on the way back to my dorm. Caitlin and I just baked the Mess It Up cake, but she has her meeting right now, so we just baked it and it just came out of the oven. And then we're gonna decorate it and like write The Secret of Us Deluxe on it after, and then we're also gonna get dinner together. That's super fun. It's really nice to have like a little distraction from the day. It's 5 right now, and her meeting is an hour and a half, I think. Ends at 6:30, so we're gonna meet for dinner, and then we're gonna go back and decorate the cake together, and then listening party at her place with the cake and everything. So super excited. You already know I'm wearing my Gracie merch today. I'm probably just gonna hang out in my dorm. On the way to Caitlin's dorm because I went home for like literally an hour and a half. Did not do a single thing, just sat in bed. But the sunset's nice. Now we're gonna go to eat dinner and decorate the cake and then listen party.
Sure, I did that once or twice on. No, I don't want to fuck off, but I think I like her. She's so fun. Wait, I think I hate her. I'm not that evolved. I'm sorry, she's missing. Sad, sad boy.
Wait, she's like tall. She looks like an Oreo.
Looks like an ice cream sandwich.
Yeah.
She's so cool. Kicking back on the couch, making ice from across the room. Wait, I think I missed.
This is our progress. Literally, look at that. We ate so hard. Yeah. Secret of Us Deluxe, and then we just put like stars and swirls around it, and then we're gonna add these sprinkles on the edge. It's like 10. I don't know why I'm in bed so early. I'm just kind of tired already. We listened to Gracie Deluxe with Caitlin, and a lot of her sweet mates were there, so we were just all hanging out. It was really fun. Some of them were like taking a group quiz, I think. It's been a crazy day, lots of emotions, so I think I'm very, very tired from that, so I'm gonna go to bed right now. But that is a college day in my life. Thank you so much for coming along. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below picture if you see it to the end of this. Also, make sure to subscribe, click the post notifications, and follow my Instagram and TikTok at uniceliubusiness. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you next Saturday for another video. Bye.